I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I live in Austin, Texas, and we have some fantastic deep fried food here. You may have seen my video where I did a chicken fried lobster tail, and it was fantastic. Well, after I made that video, I started thinking about it, and I was wondering what would it be like to have a tempura fried lobster tail. I've never had one of those. So let's find out, and let's get cooking. I'm using Maine lobster tails for this dish, so the first thing to do is to get the lobster meat out of the shell. Yeah, nice try. He's still here. Now to get to the lobster tail. I flip them over and I cut the membrane on the belly of the lobster down both sides, peel it back, and then trim it off at the tail, at the bottom of the tail. Then I'm going to gently release the meat from the inside of the shell. And you can do this just by putting your fingers in there and gently pulling apart both the shell from the meat, and then get your thumb underneath and just gently roll it all the way back. Now for the tempura batter, I'm using a Japanese tempura batter mix that I bought at my local Japanese specialty store. It's also available online, and there's a link to the product in the description below. This is key. You have to mix this with ice cold water and then keep it cold. Now I've mixed mine with ice cold soda water that I made in my soda stream. I think the bubbles, the carbonation in the soda water just makes it a little bit lighter and a little bit fluffier. And you notice once it's mixed, I have that bowl sitting in another bowl with ice on it. You want to keep this nice and cold. So now I'm going to dip each tail into the tempura mix and drop it right into the fryer. And these are going to fry for about 3 minutes until they're golden brown. Now you could do this indoors with a good thermometer and a Dutch oven, but I learned a hard lesson not long ago. I was making tempura indoors and I put too much food into the hot oil. It bubbled up over the top of the pan, hit the fire, and guess what? Started a fire. And it ruined one of my burners. So I ended up buying a small fryer, and now I do this outdoors. Tempura fried lobster tails are very light and crispy, and frankly I like this preparation a lot more than I liked the chicken fried lobster. That seemed to just be a little bit heavy in the breading for the delicate lobster meat. This is my clear winner. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.